Okay, so let us have discussion on these two questions, which is related to real numbers, and it belongs to CBSE 10th standard. Which subject? So mathematics. And the very first chapter is real numbers. So in that we already studied about Euclid's division lemma and how to find HCF using Euclid's division lemma, that we have already discussed. Let us solve the question, and in that discussion also will come. Okay. So these questions are from book only. Just we will go for the concept, we will understand the concept, and then we will solve. So find the HCF of 256 and 36 using Euclid's division algorithm. Okay. So Euclid's division algorithm means what? If A and B are two integers such that when A is divided by B, so it can be, A can be written as which one? Where A will be bigger than B. Okay, this integer A will be bigger than B, and when this A is divided by B, so this A can be written as B into Q plus R, where Q will be the quotient and R will be the remainder. So where you can say less than B. So R can be 0 or lesser than B. Okay, so this is called Euclid's division lemma. R is can be equal to 0 and lesser than B. Okay, so utilizing this Euclid's division lemma, what it is called? Euclid's division lemma. So we can find out HCF of 256 and 36. So here 256 is the bigger number, 36 is the smaller number, so it will be divided with 36. When we go for 36, when we are dividing it, so it will become, if we will go for 8 times, so 8 3 is 240 and 8 6 is 48, so it will be crossing 256. So 8 times will not be applicable here. 7 times if we are going, so 30 into 7 210 and plus 7 6 is 42, so 210 plus 42 252. So yes, it will be smaller than 256, so 252 plus 4. Okay, further next step, this 36 will be divided by with this remainder 4, so 4 into 9 plus 0. So the HCF will become 4 here. So HCF of 256 and 36 will be 4. Okay. Now question is given, also find their LCM and verify that the HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. Now we need to find LCM. Okay, so LCM, if we want to find out LCM, so let us go for factorization. So 256, first we will go for factorization. 128, 264, 232, 216, 28, 24, 22. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8. Then coming to another one, 36, if we are taking 36, then 218, 2933. Okay, right, this also will cover. Now 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. Now LCM of these two. So here 2 to the power square and 2 to the power square, here also it is there, because 2 to the power 8 we can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6. Okay, so this particular expression can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6, Here it can be written as 2 to the power square into 3 to the power square. Okay. So LCM will give us 2 to the power square is both common. So common part it will come, and which is not common, that also will be coming in LCM. So 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power square. So 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2 is what? 2 to the power 8, that is 256 only. So 256 into 3 square is there, so that is 9. Okay, so this one will become LCM. So let us see. So 9 6 ja 54, 5, 9 5 ja 45 plus 5 50, 5 in our hand, 9 2 ja 18 plus 5 23. So 2304 will be the LCM. Okay. Now what we need to verify? We need to verify, find their LCM. So LCM we have found. This is the one answer. This HCF is one answer. And verify the HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. Okay. So let us multiply HCF into LCM. So HCF is 4, LCM is 2304. So let us multiply it. So 4 4 16, 0 1 4 3 12, 1 4 2 8 1 9. So 9 2 1 6 is the product. Now product of the two numbers. So this is actually a formula which we are verifying here. So please remember this formula. HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. So if the numbers are given to you, and if any one of HCF or LCM is known to you, another one HCF or LCM you can find out very well. Okay, even if HCF and LCM is given to you and one number is given to you, another number you can find out very well. Okay, right. So that is there. Now product of the two numbers, product of two numbers are given to us as 256 and 36. So that is 256 into 36. This one we can write it as 250 plus 6 and 30 plus 6. Okay, and further 25 3 is 75, so 7500. Okay, plus 250 into 6, so 25 6 150, so 1500 plus, so this is over. Now this 6 into 30 180 plus 6 6 36. So this is making us 7500 plus 500 8000, 8000 plus 1900, 9180. So 9180 plus 36, so 6 and 8 3 11, so 112 9216. So here also 9216 we have got 9216. Here also 9216 we have got. So it means this is verified. Find their LCM. So verify that the HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. So we have already found HCF into LCM 9216 we have found, and product of the two numbers also we have done. So we found 9216. It means this formula is correct. Okay, right. Next question is, a fruit vendor has 990 apples and 945 oranges. He packs them into baskets. Okay, 990 apples are there, 945 oranges are there, and he is packing them into basket. Each basket contains only one of the two fruits. Okay, right, no problem, but is in equal number. Okay, find the number of fruits to be put in each basket in order to have minimum number of baskets. So whenever we want to find some minimum number, we must go for finding HCF. If something maximum number is there, then LCM has to be found out. Okay, so in this way we will be able to find or judge that whether we need to apply HCF or we need to apply LCM. Okay, so here we need to find baskets which should be minimum number of baskets. So that minimum number of basket will come only when we will be going for finding out the HCF. Okay, so that number of fruits we will be finding. So HCF of HCF of 990 apples and 945 oranges. So we need to go for Euclid's division lemma as we have discussed earlier to find out HCF. So 990, which is the bigger number, we will write left hand side, is equal to, which will be divided by 945, this one. So naturally once it is divided by 945, it means it will go only once. Okay, because only 45 less are there and the remainder will become 45. Okay, correct? 945 plus 45 will become 990. Okay, next one, this we will divide by 45. So 945, we are dividing it by 45 into, so when we are dividing 945 by 45, so 45 into 290, 20 will become 900 and 1 will become 945. So 45 into 21 it will be going. Okay, plus 0. For your confirmation, let me divide in front of you. So 945, so it will go 20, 90, then 45, then 1, 45, it is cancelled. So 21. Okay, so now HCF is what? 45. It means the number of fruits to be kept in each basket will be 45. Correct? Okay, so number of fruits to be kept in each basket will be equal to 45. So if 45 fruits are there, then how many basket will be required for apple? Though this question is not asked how many baskets are required. Then also let us go for finding out. So number of baskets for apples. Number of baskets for apples. So when we have divided this 990 with 45, so it will become how much? 22. So 22 baskets. And number of baskets for oranges, 945 is there, so this is 21. So 21 baskets will be required for oranges, 22 baskets will be required for apples. Number of fruits in each basket will be kept as 45. So that 45 we have got from Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so in this way this particular questions we will be solving, gentlemen. Okay, right. Let us stop it, and then I hope you all have understood it nicely. Okay, thank you.